What you guys got another video on how to stop Microsoft Office from always asking you to accept the Eula. You can see here I've opened up Microsoft Office, and when I close it and open it up again, up comes the accept the license agreement every single time, and it really is annoying. It's an annoying little bug with Office, and this has been going on for some time now, and I haven't found a fix up until today, which I wanted to share with you guys just in case you're receiving this issue. Now, this post here on Microsoft website did not help and it did not fix it, but I will show you it just in case it does help you, because I think each individual case is going to be different for each individual person. So this one is a resolution here, what they've got here. Now, this problem seems to have been going on for many years with different versions of Office, and I've tried quite a few things, but finally today I've managed to crack it, and I'll show you exactly what I've done in this particular video. So every time you open up Word or Outlook or any of those applications, you'll get the you must accept the license agreement, and it's no way of getting around it until you completely go insane with this pop-up that keeps coming up. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can try and fix it. First, I'm going to do the Reg Edit one for you so you can see it and how to do it. Open up the registry editor and go to HKey local machine software, and then come down, and we're looking for the WoW 6432 node here. So that's the one we're looking for. Once we've got that open, we're going to come down here and we're looking for Microsoft here. Open up Microsoft, and then we need to drill all the way down until we see Office. So let's go ahead and find it here. And once we get Office, we can go into here. So you should see it here. There it is right there. Open this up here. And once you're inside here, we're going to go inside here. There'll be a number. Yours might be different depending on the version you've got, but this is Office 2021. So we're going to go inside the number 16.0 here for me, but yours might be a different number, but it will be the same process. So go inside here, and what we're going to do is right click, go to permissions, and we're going to make sure that we have permissions set for that particular folder on the system. So go down, and what we want to do here is we want to make sure we're accepting full control for this particular folder. So let me go ahead and do this. So I'm going to select my user here. So users, right on this one here. And what you can do is click allow and put the check mark in here. And then what we can do is apply this, and then this will hopefully rectify the problem. In my case, it didn't. You can try it also administrators as well. Make sure you have full control for administrators as well for that particular issue. So once you've got that check marked in there, what you can do next is go to the actual application, and we're going to go Excel, and we'll run this as administrator here. Doesn't matter if it's Excel, Outlook, Word, or any of those applications. You should see the license agreement now. Accept it, and then we can close this off. And now what we can do is open it up again. And I actually thought this worked, and then all of a sudden it popped up again. Let me just show you here. It didn't pop up straight away here, but when I rebooted the PC, it started to happen again. So let me just show you some of the other things you can do here. So we're going to go to Control Panel here. Inside Control Panel, we're going to go to right down the bottom here where it says User Accounts, and we need to open up User Accounts, because what we're going to do is turn off the actual user account control. This is another method some people said that worked for them. Basically go in here, turn off the user account control, restart your PC, open the application up and accept the terms and conditions, and then open it up again and see if it goes away. If it does, you can reverse this afterwards. Another one is going into programs and features and click on the actual Office here, and then click change, and then we're going to do an online repair here and let this run. This is the method that worked for me. It actually fixed it. So basically go in here and run this online repair, and this is the one that worked for me. If this doesn't, you can try some of the other methods, but other than that, I tried a bunch of other stuff on there and none of them worked, and this is the only thing that worked for me. And I think this is just rebuilding it and checking for any sort of issues or bugs or anything like that. And once it finished its task, it actually fixed the issue. It says you're all set. So let's go ahead and quickly close this off and open up the application and see whether this fixes the problem. So I'm going to quickly open it up here, and hopefully you should see no actual accept terms and conditions, because I've already done that. But now you can see it's completely fixed and we're having no issues with it at all. I've restarted the PC and everything is working perfectly fine. So do it in this order, because just in case it was something to do with that user account control and it's already accepted it, or maybe it's the registry that has now accepted what we've done here. So try them in this order and hopefully that will resolve your problem. It's a really annoying bug and I'm hoping that other people get the fix just like I did. Anyway, with that said, I just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members, whether you're tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3. I appreciate the support. I shall catch you in the very next video, or I'll see you on the Discord server for a chat. Have a lovely weekend and thanks again for watching. Bye for now.